Hey, it's Crazy Man 69. We're going to play the Gnizen now today. Working on the Bureau. So, well, here we go. Da, 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 da. Like I said before in my other videos, win or lose, I don't care. I'm here to have fun. Preferably to win. And I do get very salty in this game. So just be prepared for the foul language. Okay, who's on the other team? Verteca.
Battle starts.
Atlanta. Well, we know Atlanta's going to hide behind an island and just spam you. The New Mexico's pretty tough, and the Sharn Horse is pretty decent. The King George, not so much. And the reason why, because they only use spam. If they use armor piercing, that might be a different story, but most of the time they use that. So, yeah, but still, the team looks like it's pretty solid, and the ships, if their captains are good, might be in trouble. But if our team's good, they might be in trouble. Which, most of the time, they're not so good. I think I'm just going to go this route. I wish they stopped spamming in here because it's irritating the shit out of me. Let's see. What's over here? The Sharn Horse. Which is more of a upgraded German Tier 6, the Gneisenau. Or however you say it. I don't. To me, it's junk, but other people might be really good at it. I'm just not. But it's part of the Bureau, so see if I can hit him. $6,700 damage, not too bad. Really, oh shit. Well, somebody was paying attention because that King George is definitely using armor piercing.
The ship is on fire.
The Queen Elizabeth, though, is using high explosives. So let's just see if we can tag her.
Problem solved, sir. I need intelligence data.
Intelligent data.
Get back.
And there is the Tier 6 Shores. It's a Russian battlecruiser. It's hiding. We'll try. Oh. The Sharn Horse is pretty much going to go down. Try to eliminate him. I didn't mean to take the teammates' kills, but shit happens. Seems like I'm broadside, which is about stupid on my end. Somehow I totally missed. Let's see if I can get him this way. $4,211 damage, not too bad. Could have been better, but these are not really hard-hitting ships. They do have torps, and they're... Oh, I don't know. Diva or she, I can't even say the frickin' name. We just call it asshole.
Our team is taking the lead.
He stopped for a second. What is he doing? He's going to reverse. What the hell is he doing? Here you go, retard. Hope it hits you right in your ass. There's the fire spamming.
The ship is on fire.
But I'm just... It's only one. He just took another chunk out of my ass. I'm going to do this. I wasn't going to do it, but... Who's ever playing the King George is actually playing it pretty smart.
Problem solved, sir.
Normally, they're dumbasses and spam with HE. Like, okay, I was wrong. He kind of changed
Ship
it.
is on fire.
The New Mexico definitely got to worry about because it will delete you. So far, I'm having a pretty decent game with this pile of junk. But like I said, I'm not really good with this ship. You got people out there who can have mastered this ship. I think I'm just going to slow it down for a moment. The one thing I will not do with this ship is try to use it, focus just only on the torpedoes of it. There's the secondary starting to go to work. Let's see if I can put these here. Trying to get some of my health build up a little bit because they did take a chunk out of me. I think I'm going to go focus on this Divin Shear. What the hell? He is actually pretty stupid right now. He's broadside to me, but let's see what dispersion give. Hopefully I get lucky with dispersion on this. I did. Good enough. So far, this is pretty the best game I ever played with this ship. King George.
Problem solved, sir.
Trying to go to the water line.
The ship is on fire. Torpedo tubes destroyed.
No shit.
Our victory is in sight.
I'd like to get 80,000 in this, but I highly doubt it. And I just went boom. King George deleted my ass. Well, maybe that one. I don't know which one. Torpedoes are going to miss them, but hey. Oh, yep. Shy.
Victory is in sight.
We'll just watch this game for a little bit. We pretty much won it. All we got to do is kill one or two more, and they're pretty much done. Yeah, it was definitely a good game. Our team was definitely a better team than the others tonight so far. This Queen Elizabeth's about fucking dead. You know, and some of our teammates could have taken her out by now, but I really don't understand. But hey, but I managed to get 2 kills, 1 citadel, 2 defense, 74,000 damage. Not too bad.
Our victory is in sight.
So hopefully you enjoyed the game. Like I said, I do this for fun. So let's see how this one's doing. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the show and see you the next time.